Okay guys, my winter sown jugs are actually going to be spring sown this year because I didn't get them done. So I'm a little late. Thought I'd show you me doing a complete jug, start to finish. First of all, I put the holes in it. I use a utility knife for that. Just slice 4 holes. The water's going to get out and it's going to get in through those little slices. Start at the hinged handle side, and I like to go around and go about halfway through the little circles on the side. Is the way I gauge where I'm going. Leave a little hinge there. Put my happy frog in there. Happy, happy. I didn't take the time to find my trowel. Using what I found within like 20 feet of here. And I'm planting basil in here. Basil is really tiny seeds, so it doesn't need that many in here, and I definitely don't need to cover it very much. Probably 1/8 of an inch is plenty for basil. This bag was sitting outside, so it's really pretty moist. It's nice and pre-moistened, I should say. Sometimes I have to mix it up to get the moisture in there. Not on this one. I like to pack the edges pretty well. And then spray. I keep the soil down a little bit too, so I have room to spray and not get the outside of the jug wet where I'm going to put the tape. Nice and wet. Turn it around so the hinge is towards me. Then I use the cheapest duct tape because I find that it conforms to the jug a lot better than the expensive stuff. Right, so we start at the handle, go on around. And press it against the jug. And I usually do write on the jug with my paint pen before I get started, but I didn't, so I'll just write basil. There we go. Another jug down. Let me know how you're doing with your gardening, with your winter sowing especially this spring. And stay tuned so you can see how these are gonna do.